when they tell you get your head down. I will tell you keep your head up, and I will hold you closer. I will hold you close. Take your questions by the millions. Put your coat on, steal your kisses, and I will hold you closer. I will hold you close. When you come undone or turn and run, I'll be the one with the morning in your best parades or worst of days. I will remain like the morning. Roll your fists up, let your words cut, and defenses, throwing each punch. And I will hold you closer. I will hold you close. If your head should lie, or you need a guide, I will reply like the morning when confetti rains or your heart breaks. I will stay like the morning.
Do you remember how we kissed in the kitchen as the coffee poured? By the end my face was sore from your stubble, but I still wanted more. And all the miles that we spent in the air, where we're going I don't care. I'm just so glad you were there that night in the restaurant, because I got to say, so I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do? So I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do now? Make me feel loved and treasured. Your water in the desert, my fox, my missing puzzle piece. You make me feel loved, protected. Boy, we could talk forever on the couch, sipping bourbon, please. And in the morning we will start up the French press. I'll be thinking to myself, how did I get so lucky? Your heart is sweet like honey. And in the evenings when we settle in bed, it's like you're in my head. How did I get so lucky? So I say it again and again. me feel loved, protected, or we could talk forever on the couch, sipping bourbon, please. Making out in the back of that Prius, no bikes in there to interrupt us. In your favorite spot behind my ear where nothing in the world can touch us. Sometimes you take my breath away. I hope I never forget to say. So, I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do? So, I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do now? Make me feel loved and treasured. You are water in the desert. My thoughts, my missing puzzle piece. You make me feel loved, protected, or we could talk forever on the couch, sipping bourbon, please. So, I'm in love with you.